When I opened my eyes, the world was weird. No bed, no food bowl, no human, just floating stones, sparkly trees, and a talking toad screaming, "Behold, the chosen wizard Tinycat, wizard, me." The only spell I cast is called Nap for 12 hours. They handed me a wand. I sniffed it, chewed it a little, then waved. Poof. Instant chaos. Fish appeared. Dozens of flying tuna cans spun in the air like shiny UFOs. The toad yelled, "You've summoned the sacred seafood storm." I yelled, "Finally, something useful." The cans turned and started chasing me. I ran through the glowing forest, tripped over mushrooms, rolled down a hill, and got hit by a can right in the belly. Boink. Perfect shot. I lay there covered in tuna, victorious and ashamed. The toad said, "Great wizard, you have fed the village." I blinked. Wait, that worked. Lesson learned. Even mistakes taste better when they come in fish flavor.